Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to my channel. Now, excuse me for looking like this. I literally just came from working out, running and doing the most at the park, and it's about 95 degrees, okay? But I got my Tory Burch bag. It came today, okay? So I wanted to do an unboxing and I wanted to open it now, so I couldn't wait to take a shower and to get cute. You just gonna see me like this. So before we begin, please don't forget to like this video. Like it now because you might forget later. So just hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channels. All right. This is our lifestyle channel, but I also have a channel called Jovi Beauty. I'm Jovi Beauty on all platforms. Okay. So please follow, please subscribe. And now let's drop this intro so we can open this bag. Okay, guys. I think this is my watch, but I'll open that on another video. So, okay, the thing is, I go on like day trips and weekend trips occasionally, right? And I have a Louis Vuitton bag. What's the name of the bag? It's not a Speedy. It's West End. It's vintage. They don't even make it no more, right? But it's a little too big and cumbersome, I'm gonna say, for a night out, or a 2-night out, right? And sometimes even when I have that bag, I would like a regular cute nice tote that I can fit my purse in on the flight, fit my little container of my little toiletries, makeup bag, all the little essentials that I don't necessarily want to put in the big Louis, and be able to just put clothes in that one, right? I'm pointing there that way because it's over there. Y'all, you see this. Okay, so here we go. Now, I have this habit of sending myself nice notes. Okay, so I sent myself a note. Okay, I sent myself a note. I got it gift wrapped, okay, for myself. Yes, I did. All right. I think it was free, but if it wasn't, it probably was like $5. I don't care. I spoiled myself. If I do it, I expect it to be done. All right. So the note says, thank you. Oh no, this ain't my note. My note is probably in there. This is their note. It says, thank you. We hope we found exactly what we're looking for and that you love it. So that's what I got from them, right? Awesome. Amazing. Let's get to the bag. Now, I saw this on Instagram. Bruh. Oh my God. It's like a little, I thought it was gift wrapping. Look. I'm about to this is about to be the storage case. Oh my God, they're so great. They're so amazing. This is so amazing. That's about to be what I store it in when I'm not using it. Because I'm not a real tote person. Like wear a tote daily. I'm not a real tote person. I'm a little bag person. Look at her. And so it came with that. It came with this, a little drawstring bag. We know we all need a nice dust bag for our bags. And look at, where's my note that I wrote myself? Apparently they forgot. This feels nice. It's not leather. It's like a good plastic. Let me get all the stuff off. Where is my scissors? I can never find my scissors when I'm looking for it because my daughter, children always take your stuff. Look at this. So it's nice. It's wipeable. It's beach baggable. It's travelable. Travelable? It's beach bag. It's beach bag capable. Okay. It's when you go to the pool. It's when you go to the beach. It's when you are traveling. Let's see the major test. Can my Vanity PM fit inside? Okay, let's try it out. Let's see the bottom. Look at the inside. I was gonna get another one because there were like 2 designs. This one, what's the name of it? I'm gonna tell you the name of it right now. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm gonna tell you the name. Tory Burch. No. It is the Ella print tote in blue marina. Okay, and it costs $228, but I think it's worth it. Now, I'd rather have something that I'll pay a little bit more money for that I can use for 10 plus years than to have to keep rebuying something. Louis Vuitton PM, perfect fit. I could turn it on the side and then put it on the side and it still fit. Boom. Toiletries, travel essentials. Okay. And it still got room for clothes. Okay. Y'all, close this, my little makeup bag. This is the little, when it's not a whole situation. Again, when I'm taking a big Louis. Look at this. I don't know. It's still mad space on the bottom and space on the top. Now on a weekend way, I'm still carrying this, right? This will be in my hand. And I can put clothes, shoes, a little outfit for the night, for the next day, probably 2 outfits for the next day. It is so adorbs and I'm in love. Okay. I'm in love. And I'm so happy with my purchase. Oh, I am so happy with my purchase. Extremely. It's so nice. I love the fact that it's wipeable. Because things like this is like this. I like, certain things like this, especially, you want to just put it on the floor, throw it around, whatever, and it's still beautiful. I'm not even a big fan of blue. Like, I'm really not a big fan of blue. But like, bruh, it's the vibes for me. This is the vacation vibes. This is the summer vibes. This is where are we going? We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Where? I don't know yet, but we're going somewhere. We're going somewhere for the weekend. Okay? Somewhere. Where? You'll find out. And now I'm done. And as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden because there's no other way to live it.